Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, let's try to integrate this function which involves the square roots in the denominator. In integrals, remember that whenever you see square roots in the denominator, what you have to do is you have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of that expression. What do we mean by conjugate is you just change that sign in the middle and just multiply and divide and proceed further with the simplification. Let's see how do we do that. So we write the function which is already there, 1 over square root of x plus a plus square root of x plus b, and multiply and divide by the conjugate. Change that sign in the middle and multiply and divide. So square root of x plus a minus square root of x plus b divide by square root of x plus a minus square root of x plus b, and obviously we are integrating with respect to x. Once you do that, in the denominator, if you notice, there is a pattern of a plus b and a minus b. We know that a plus b, a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So you have square root of x plus a minus square root of x plus b divide by, and this is a square minus b square, these two when they get multiplied. So you have square of this function, the square root will get cancelled, so you will have x plus a minus of x plus b, which is a square of this function minus square of this function, okay, essentially. And obviously we are integrating with respect to x. Let's simplify this further. Multiply this minus sign inside of that bracket, so you have integral of square root of x plus a minus square root of x plus b divide by x plus a minus x minus b with respect to x. That x and this x will get cancelled, and in the denominator you will be left with a minus b. Now remember that a minus b is nothing but constant value. It can be taken out of the integral. So you have 1 over a minus b out of the integral of square root of x plus a minus square root of x plus b with respect to x. Now those square root of x plus a and square root of x plus b, those can be essentially written as power half. So that x plus a can be written as x plus a to the power half minus that can be written as x plus b to the power half using the law of exponents. Then we can simply apply the basic algebraic integral formula, 1 over a minus b. We know x to the power n, in the integral is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is x plus a to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 minus x plus b to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, the power integral formula, plus let's add the constant of integration c. We can simplify this a little bit if you want, that half plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. Even in the denominator there will be 3 by 2. So you have 1 over a minus b x plus a to the power 3 by 2 divide by 3 by 2 minus x plus b to the power 3 by 2 divide by 3 by 2, close the bracket, plus constant of integration. See, this is nothing but the final result of the integral that we are looking to solve. If you want to see more such calculus and integral hacks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do post math and calculus content every single day. If you want to master calculus, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.